Head with climate change. There is also more of the growing issue with climate change situation because the present consumer saying that we are climate change current situation in Mexico may 2025. Mexico is experiencing an intense wave that is affecting many states with temperatures between 0 and 25. The heat wave is lasting until at last May 2060 and is being caused by an infrastructure system that is reducing cloud cover and increasing solar radiation. People are facing dangerous conditions, especially in the northern and southern regions. They Mexico is what foster change the global average at a rate of 3.0%. The country is dealing with more extreme weather events such as drought, flood, and heat waves. Climate change is worsening weather challenges, is impacting agriculture, and is attaining public health. Authorities are advising people to stay indoors between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Citizens are wearing correct clothes and are using sunscreen to protect themselves. People are drinking more water and are avoiding leaving pets or children in parked cars. Head will and climate change better outlook. Until will Mexico will continue to experience more breaking and intense heat waves. Temperature will reach extreme level during the summer months. Climate change will affect agriculture, water supply, and public health, and with more money, people will suffer from heat related illnesses if no action is taken. Scientists will keep working about the urgent need to reduce emissions. Using going to this year, the heatwave is going to last longer than usual. The temperature is going to break previous records in several states. Authorities are going to issue more alerts to protect the population. Cities are going to face serious water shortages. Proposed solution to heat waves and climate change. un sin futuro simple. Governments will invest in renewable energy to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. CTS will plant more trees and create green space to lower urban temperature. City will develop better yearly warning systems for extreme weather events. Texture and media will educate people about how to protect themselves during hot waves. Countries will send international agreements to slow down global warming. Communities will work together to conserve water and energy. Public transportation systems will improve to reduce carbon emissions. Health services will prepare for an increase in heart-related illnesses.